Hello, my name's Beth and I'm today going to be showing you how to load your ribbon and foil into the Deluxe printer. First of all, take the spindle from the back and slide this off, then put the ribbon onto the spindle and then slide back on and place the spindle into the holder at the back. Then lift the print head carriage by pressing in the two green buttons and pull the ribbon through. Then push the internal brackets together so that they're holding the ribbon in place. And that is the ribbon loaded. The next thing is to load the foil. When you have a new foil, it will come as a separate foil and core, so you need to attach the foil and the core together. So just open the packet and then peel open the cellophane, and that is your sticky surface to attach the core. So you need to attach the core as straight as you possibly can, otherwise your foil is going to crease. So just place the core directly against the foil and gently roll forwards, and then roll until you reach the actual foil. Just a moment. Okay, and then once you have rolled your core on, just make sure that it's nice and straight. Then to load the foil, you're going to be putting the main foil into this lower carriage here, and then you'll go over the top and your take-up core will be on the top carriage. So first of all, you need to check in the end of the core, and you'll see there are two cut-out sections. These need to go onto the lug that sticks out. One of them does, onto the lug that sticks out. So you put the right-hand side of the core on to the sprung side and just push it on with your finger. Place the core onto the left side and then gently turn the cog until the lug drops into the cut-out section of the core. Then you'll see it's attached properly. Now all you need to do is close the carriage down and click it into place, and then repeat on the top. So right side first onto the sprung side, then twist until your core is secured, and that is loading the ribbon and the foil. The other thing about this printer, because it's a centre printer, if you're printing onto narrow ribbons or onto labels, we also supply half foils for this. So these come already attached. So again, just carefully make sure they're lined up and roll exactly the same as the large foil, and then repeat the same as you did with the large foil. And that is it. Thank you very much.